Hello digital art space family and friend. I hope you're doing good, guys. I know things are getting crazy on the world, but with art I think you can always find a way to smile and to lose yourself. So in this new tutorial I will show you how you can use a 3D model madcap application to create any pose that you wish and for your and use that model for your next fashion show. Why not? So without further ado, let's get started. So now we open the app and we upload a new model, and with by only clicking in the joint you can try to move all the model part in the X, Y and Z axis. In the previous video I already give enough detail about the process. You can always watch this video for further explanation. So now I'm just turning using my fingers the screen of the application, and when I click to the joint I can move it freely. And now I'm trying to move the hands position, the joint position, nothing too complicated. So alright, now once I finish with my pose and I'm satisfied, I open my Medibank. So we use Medibank application. It's a free software that you can use, and I upload my image. I already also created a video in how I can upload my image. I decrease the opacity, and now I am just tracing over my draft, and yeah, here it is. My draft is in a red. So now once I finish with the draft, I will also use a blue color for the clothing. So as you can see now, step by step I'm trying to draw the clothes by also paying attention to the wrinkles. It's really important. And now I'm working in the face, exactly putting some more and more detail each time. I also recommend, if you're doing that process, for example, I am in a different layer, you do this by using many layers, and once we finish we decrease the opacity of the color layer like red or blue that we use for our draft. Now we are working in our final inking step. So you use for this drawing we use like a sharp pen that I can recommend, or you can also use a G pen or just a simple pen that you can find on Medibank to create your final inking, working slowly and progressively by paying attention to the line, because this is the final. Yeah, as I said previously, also as we are particularly in the fashion now, we really pay attention to the clothing, because that will give drawing some texture for the clothes. Yeah, and it's with only one model you can use it to create multiple other girls for your next fashion show. Why not? So some people go traditionally, but if you wanna do it digitally using 3D model and a drawing application, I recommend the madcap, easy pose, and also Medibank or any other good software that you can find out there. So yeah, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you could learn. So stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you find value in this video. Bye.